Hello, welcome back to Gadgettech. Today I will show you new invention gadgets on Amazon. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification. Paper is the ultimate tool for thinking. You let your mind roam freely without restrictions. A lessee focus without distractions. If you love paper, you probably lose track of your notes, do lots of printing and have a desk that looks like this. If this is you, then you're a paper person, just like us, a remarkable. We have developed a breakthrough solution for paper people. Meet Remarkable, the paper tablet. That's to read, write and sketch, with an extraordinary paper-like feel. Unlike traditional tablets, Remarkable lets you replace your notebooks and sketchbooks and printed documents, without sacrificing the feel of paper. To make Remarkable as paper-like as possible, we developed the groundbreaking Canvas display. Traditional displays constantly radiate light to millions of living pixels. Canvas uses black ink particles and to simply reflect natural light, making it wonderful, gentle on the eyes. In contrast, glass displays its surface as magic and lightly textured, and it even makes that familiar sound. Canvas display is built on ink-run fan light. Electronic ink made up of millions of black particles and carefully controlled on a microscopic level. Hope powered by Remarkable powerful processor for optimized control and precision. This makes text and pen strokes and appear uniquely crisp and with its second-to-none latency. It's the world's fastest to digital paper. You've never experienced anything like the Canvas display. To complete the paper experience, we designed the marker from scratch with tilt and pressure detection. The marker lets you direct precise moment, capturing your every gesture. It's wirelessly powered by the tablet to the recharging or pairing needed. You can even rest your hand on the display. Reading Unremarkable is a distraction-free paper-like experience, with no glare or backlight. Whether it's a book, textbook or work document, capture your thoughts instantly, by writing directly on the page. No more printing, no more carrying heavy books or documents. Writing on a Remarkable is the most paper-like digital writing experience ever. Make meeting or lecture notes or simply gather your thoughts. A Remarkable is more than just notes, it's a note-taking system that lets you capture, organize and share your notes like never before. All your notes in one place, and you'll never run out of pages. Sketching on Remarkable feels natural and familiar, and with digital tools that becomes an even more powerful instrument of shaping ideas. For the first time your workflow is all digital. All your work on all your devices instantly. And you can use it for days without recharging. We designed Remarkable to help you focus. No email, web browsing or social media. No disruptions, distractions or notifications. Just you and your thoughts. An elegant tool for a smarter world. The device for paper people. Remarkable, better paper, better thinking. As Planet Computers, we never stop innovating. Over the past 2 years, we have delivered award-winning Gemini PDA and Cosmo communicator devices to over 10,000 backers, who supported our mission to kickstart a new mobile computing revolution. The revolution continues as we embrace the latest mobile technologies and trends. Cotton with our passion for typing, writing, creating, on the go. We are excited to say that we are extending the range of Planet devices with the brand new Astro Slide, of the first 5G transformer smartphone. We're fully embracing the power of 5G and Wi-Fi 6. And we decided to go all in, to find the fastest 5G process are currently available, to give the ultimate 5G experience on the Astro Slide. So have a smartphone that can transform into a pocket computer with simple fun action. Is truly elite in usability and functionality, great for both work and play. Planet Computers introduced the Asterisk Slide to our flagship 5G smartphone. It's the ultimate in mobile design, power and usability. Astro Slide is the first of Planet's transformer smartphones, with a large 6.53-inch touchscreen display, featuring Planet's revolutionary patented walk-up slider hinge. Astro Slide reveals the Planet's signature keyboard with the push of the thumb. The display gently tilts up to the optimal viewing angle, transforming a stroke into a powerful pocket computer. Astro Slide gives you the freedom to write, create, animate, communicate, and be entertained in one familiar form factor. Astro Slide is the fastest 5G device to be announced to date. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1000 chipset, it offers twice the performance of other 5G chipsets, with significantly reduced power consumption. Achieving download speeds of up to 4.7 gigabits per second with dual 5G modems. AstroSight's battery will power the user through an entire day of work and play. Astro Slide features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth BLE audio and FC communications and wireless charging. Astro has a 48-megapixel rear-facing camera as well as a front camera for video calling. Other features of Astro Slide include a fingerprint sensor to nano SIM slots and one eSIM, a micro SD slot for additional storage. Minimum 6 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of internal memory. To USB-C ports and an audio jack. Planet's signature backlit keyboard allows you to comfortably work at night or in dark spaces, such as on long plane journeys without the need for external lighting. Astros is designed to run the latest Android 10 OS and all your favorite apps, as well as a Linux-based operating system with a multi-boot option. It's a true all-in-one replacement for both your smartphone and your laptop. Perfect as your daily driver. We hope that you like our new device and let's you can have us make it a reality. I need a computer and I want to buy an underwater camera, but buying both of them is too expensive. Is there any way to solve this problem with one product? When your smartphone meets Diveroid, it's possible. Introducing Diveroid, which will make your diving experience safe and fun. Do you have to buy new housing every time you purchase a new smartphone? With Universal Pro Housing, you can insert and use any kind of smartphone regardless of the size and brand, such as Apple, Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, LG, and Samsung. It even has a heatsink system that prevents fogging and a double O-ring structure, with a 60-meter waterproof functionality. Meet the best multifunctional underwater housing equipped with compatibility and durability at a reasonable price. The Mini is a small diving computer and it is very simple to use. Download the Diveroid app, connect with your smartphone and you're ready. Diveroid works underwater as both a diving computer and a camera. Check diving computer information such as NDL, depth, and time while taking pictures. The most important thing while diving is safety. 6 different alarms including slow down and safety stop functions are responsible for your underwater safety. Enjoy taking professional underwater videos with various angles. Diveroid provides 4 camera modes: ultra wide angle, zoom, and selfie. 4K video mode enables you to take vivid videos of the beautiful underwater ocean. Still not satisfied with your pictures even after using a red filter? The real-time software-based red filter feature will optimize the color in any environment. That was a great dive. Let's take a look at the pictures we took today. A photo-synced logbook with depth information is automatically created. Check your diving records at a glance. Why don't we make a logbook and send diving records to family and friends? Add depth graphs and diving data to your best shots and share them on Instagram using the diving story sharing feature. Experience a new diving world with Diveroid. OrbitKey Nest is a portable and customizable desk organizer with an inbuilt wireless charger, helping you declutter and stay organized, wherever you are. The wireless charger embedded in the lid will keep your devices charged while you work, so they're always ready to go. Also included is an elastic pouch for smaller items that tend to go astray.